You are going to love the 2017 Taurus. This is it. Crafted by an obsessive engineering and design team, the Taurus was created to compete with some of the world's best and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, rain sensing wipers, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, ventilated front seats, rear window defroster, heated steering wheel. Come see the car for yourself.